Guide to claim SkillsFuture Credit. Before we start, here are a few things to take note of. Eligibility. SkillsFuture Credit is available for all Singapore citizens aged 25 and above. Inform your training provider that you intend to use SkillsFuture Credit at the point of course registration, and confirm the course code to use for the claim. Time frame to claim. For all courses, you may submit your claim up to 60 days before the start date of the course. Here are the simple steps to submit your SkillsFuture Credit claim. Step 1. Visit myskillsfuture.gov.sg. Select Submit SkillsFuture Credit Claims and log in via SingPass. Step 2. Select Submit Claim. Step 3. Ensure that the course is correct and enter the course start date. Step 4. Enter course fee amount inclusive of GST and the amount of credit you wish to claim. Step 5. Upload the official invoice from your training provider. Step 6. Review the details of your submission and check the Terms and Conditions box. Click Submit. Step 7. A pop-up box will appear. Click on Agree and Submit. And you're done. Your claim is now pending for approval. If you need further help on SkillsFuture Credit claims, visit skillsfuture.gov.sg/feedback.